YouTubers said, oh, she just accepted a new job there because they're going to allow her to do whatever she wants online. This is the state of the mainstream media and the people who are in power. They can attack us anytime that they want. So look, if you support us, it means the world. It just means that we can do monologues and touch topics which are radioactive to everybody else.
Of people like Army on, who is not
people like Army,
the safest character.
Look, I love Army, but he's crazy in a good way. Crazy, you know, in the best.
Army is a truly free man. He is totally unafraid of saying whatever he really thinks.
I mean, we've talked about this. Like, there were some segments there on Rising, which, let's just say there were some contentious debates about whether they were going to go up or not. We were always in favor of putting them up. But just so you guys know, that's why we have our own show. That's why we rely on you. We have the premium link down in the description. It means a lot when you support us because it makes fighting these fights truly worth it. And I can't tell you how much it means.
Love you guys. See you back here on Thursday.
Going 50 miles an hour, 4 high, on the highway, see some tracks, staying nice and steady. Just had to pass up the Silverado, and the guy's tires were spinning, and he wasn't going in adequate speed. I don't know why he's in the fast lane, but I hate to pass people up, but it's like I don't want to sit behind somebody that really, their truck is having a hard time to, keep to not slip out, and so I'm going like 48 right now. The camera doesn't really do this justice, but see if I can turn this on and see the snow coming down. They're bright. Yeah, it's coming down pretty good though. I mean, it's not that bad, but definitely not the ideal conditions you want to be driving on your way home, 11 o'clock at night. So, as you can see, I can't even see. This guy had his brights on, like, but look at this snow. I might go in and warp speed here. I'm gonna turn off my headlights and just run with the LEDs. It's kind of funny how the Silverado trying to keep up with me. It's like, come on, your truck, come on. It's having a hard time, dude. But, definitely pretty fun to drive in, though. I like driving in this. I have to slow down, though, because I have a sharp turn coming up. Oh, I don't think that's a Silverado. I think it's a car that was behind me. An SUV. Probably some Toyota 4Runner, maybe? Or not 4Runner. What is that? What is that SUV for Toyota? Pretty popular. The RAV4. They're pretty nice. But yeah. Pretty stuff here.
And for me, it's a wonderful thing because nobody understands.
Look at this jackass.
And for 6 months, when I came forward,
Alright, let's see how this thing does on a turn. 4 high.
there's no
14 miles an hour.
we can do what we can't talk about whatever. Great.
See that? Woo-hoo-hoo.
First off, we have no idea who the hell
I mean, obviously, you don't want to be going normal speeds on turns, but yeah, I just wanted to go straight and not catch any traction until I let off the gas. But yeah, this is how bad it is. I don't know if this will do any justice. The camera, I mean, it's okay. It's a Nexus Pro. It's okay though. I mean, you can see that warp speed look, and then there you go. And then I just threw on the high beams, or the high beams. I just threw on the LEDs. The, what do they call those halos? I'm not sure. But, oh, it's really dumping over here in Lakewood, Colorado.
Under the framework of our Constitution, the government is only supposed to be monitoring people that have individualized, particularized suspicion of wrongdoing. Right? This is we think about this in the investigation.
Going in 4 high and
Shows where they're like, go and get a warrant.
keep a nice moderate speed and don't take things too fast and don't slam on your brakes and you'll be fine.
Over this, a couple hundred years back, is the idea that when we had kings, when we had governments of absolute power, they could simply go in your home, diary, whatever it is, and just like you find evidence of crime, you march them off the prison, and it's all good.
And like we're in the foothills of Colorado. We're 20 minutes before you start getting into the high country, so you start actually getting into the mountains. About an hour away. Actually, we're about an hour away from one of the closest resorts. Actually, no, 40 minutes away from one of the closest resorts. I think it's Eldora. So, I mean, we're right next to the mountains.
That is not a threat to national security. That's not a threat to public safety. But what happened in the wake of 9/11?
I don't know how KO2s do, but I mean, my buddy had KO2s and he said that they are not that great in snow. And if you're gonna have all terrain, you're gonna want something for snow. You know, especially in Colorado. These Duratracs, Wranglers, Goodyear. I don't know. So far, I like them.
A guy named David